Picture this. You're at a restaurant. The lighting is terrible. The menu is half soaked in water. You point your phone at a blurry black and white square. And yet, it works. We scan these things every day without thinking, but the most important part of a QR code has absolutely nothing to do with the link it's opening. This technology was never designed for you. It was designed for robots, and it was built with secret armor that makes it nearly impossible to destroy. It's 1994. Inside a Toyota subsidiary called Denso Wave, engineers were hitting a wall. Traditional barcodes hold about 20 characters of data. For a factory tracking thousands of complex parts, that's useless. So engineer Masahiro Hara did something radical. He didn't make the barcode longer, he made it two-dimensional. Reading data horizontally and vertically created a square that held hundreds of times more information. But he didn't just solve a storage problem, he solved a chaos problem. Look closely at any QR code. 3 large squares sit in the corners. These aren't decoration, they're finder patterns. Before your phone reads a single letter, it uses those squares to figure out which way is up. Upside down, tilted 45 degrees, wrapped around a curved soda can, it doesn't matter. Those anchors tell the camera exactly how to read the map. Here's the part that changes how you see these things. Engineers knew factory floors are dirty, greasy, and brutal. Labels get torn, surfaces get scratched, so they built in error correction, redundant copies of the data hidden inside the pixel grid. Up to 30% of a QR code can be completely destroyed and it will still scan perfectly. That's not a glitch, that's armor. So why did this brilliant technology sit in warehouses for 25 years? Outside Japan, nobody used it. Marketers tried forcing it in 2010 and failed. You needed a clunky third-party app just to scan one. Then 2020 happened. Touching menus felt dangerous. Exchanging cash felt risky. The world needed contactless everything immediately. A 26-year-old factory tool was quietly waiting. The engineers at Toyota weren't just tracking parts. They built a bridge between physical and digital worlds. I hope you enjoyed this slice of engineering history. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to Latent Histories for more stories about the everyday world around us. Thanks for watching.